Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin closed yesterday with a strong green candle and found resistance right at the 21-day EMA. But today it's already pushing above yesterday's close. That's a positive sign for continuation. Is the summer bounce finally here? On the monthly liquidation heat map, we have clear liquidity pools higher up towards last week's open and the 200-week SMA. It really feels like the market wants to go test those levels. This could be the start of the classic summer bounce we've been waiting for. However, we have to stay cautious. If this bounce is legitimate, bears might show up again in the $63,000 to $66,000 zone. That's a key resistance area to watch closely. I wouldn't expect much volatility as tomorrow is 4th of July and many people will be celebrating it over the weekend. DVO, Bitcoin's volatility index, closed the red candle yesterday and is now trending down. Lower volatility is generally very good for Bitcoin as it allows for calmer, more sustainable moves higher. We're still trading under the short-term holder realized price, which means there's still some room to run before we hit stronger resistance from recent buyers. Bitcoin ETFs finally saw positive flows yesterday after the nice green day. Institutions are starting to come back in, and the dollar index closed red and is pulling back toward its own 21-day EMA. This gives breathing room for risk assets like Bitcoin. In the longer term, Bitcoin still looks aligned with my roadmap, a summer bounce first, then a lower low later in the year. And that's why I posted on X. No buy signal yet from Bitcoin's on-chain risk composite, which combines several on-chain metrics into a single risk score from 0 to 1. In every bear market phase, Bitcoin trades below the long-term holder cost basis. It still hasn't reached the line, which is currently at $49,800. During bear market phases, whenever VDD spiked, it often created a good buying opportunity and marked cycle bottoms. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!